guys, I've done in sorry again of that I cut the video, but I have a little problem here in the kitchen. Don't worry, my mom solutioned it with 2 spatulas. So it would be the same thing but it's a little broken there. A little thing broken. But don't worry, it would be the same taste. All would be the same. It looks super. You can. I would eat it right now, so you could see how it is. It's super easy and super easy and delicious. You can eat it in the breakfast, and you could eat it at the tea time. It's broken. Bros. Yeah, that's on the board. Here. Here, my mom put it. Okay, it broke a little bit here. Don't worry, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, I have here my things. Where is mine? Okay, doesn't matter. I would take another here. And I have here, right there. Here. So, don't forget about this. That doesn't happen for think that, but here it is. Mine is a little, I think, cooked. A little bit cooked, but it's delicious. I would tell you guys.
Eat one bite.
I would eat it a little bit here. And here, it's the inside. But, oh, I ate it hot, but that doesn't matter. It's delicious and it's a super easy recipe. That's why it's one of my favorites. You can eat it, I told you, at the tea time or at the breakfast. Doesn't matter the hour, but you could cook it. But I said you would need the help of an adult to do this. I told you I have a little thing that I couldn't control with my mom, but it doesn't matter. The only thing that it is delicious. So I see you the next time, guys. I would eat this because I cook it and now I would have to eat it. Bye, guys.